Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do The Long Way to Go by Cassie. It's an old classic that is now trending thanks to Marcus. Okay, let's just dive right into it. It's a short dance, but it's packed with great moves, so I'm just going to go through it step by step. Okay, so I'm going to divide it into 3-minute sections. Let me just start with the first one. Here's the preview, alright? Just going to show you. There it goes. Boom, 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 ha, ha, ha. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is start like this. Then you want to cross your legs, jump like that, and then jump again, out. And then the same thing, cross over, and then out. Alright, pretty simple. So here you go. Whoom, 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 whoom. If you want, you can move a bit to the right and then a bit to the left. Yeah, so I go right side, left side. Okay, let's just try that. 5. We're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, cross, out. Now, if you want, you can add some arms. So don't do anything on the first one here, but on the second cross here, you want to go cross with your arms and then out. Alright? So let me just show you. Nothing here, cross, out. Try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, cross, out. Alright? Now from here, let's just do the next thing here. What you want to do is slide this foot back, step. Alright? Notice how my body is also turning. Step. Alright? Notice how I also go a bit down a level here when I do the step. Okay? At the same time, you also want to do with your arms, boom, more like a shoulder thing. Yeah? And then the other arm, so it's like A, boom, boom. Yeah, that's what the arms will do. Boom, boom. Slide, slide. And then when you step here at the back, you want to go snap. Alright? So with arms on the front, open up. Alright? Let's just try that. So we want to do slide, slide, step. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, slide, snap. Alright, now let's try to combine those two things. So I'll just quickly show you. You want to do wah, 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 step. Alright? We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, arms, 2. Slide, slide, step. Alright, let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, arms, 2. Slide, and step. Alright, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Okay, moving on to minute section 2. Let me just show you a quick preview. So right after whoom, we want to go whoom, whoom, ba, 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 ba. Now, before we move on, I just want to quickly mention that if you need to stretch out and warm up, please do so. We don't want you to get injured, alright? So, yeah, probably stretch your thighs, alright? Okay, now let me break it down, alright? So from here, basically what your leg's doing is just the right is going lift, out with your knees, and then this one, left, lift, out with your knees. And this time you can go a bit further down if you want to, alright? So let me just show you again. Basically what your feet are doing, legs are doing whoop, hey, whoop, hey, alright? Or just same level if you want to. Okay, now the upper body, if you want to add some extra stuff here to increase the effect, your upper body is doing here some kind of hunching, yeah, boom, out, pushing my chest out, yes, I'm closing, open, boom, ah, boom, ah, boom, ah, alright? You want to do this at the same time as you're doing whoop, ah, whoop, ah. Alright, you don't have to do it that exaggerated. You can just do simple, subtle. Alright? Hey, hey. Okay, so here, boom, here, boom. Down here if you want to, alright? So just try and practice with me. This is where we ended. end of mini section 1. So mini section 2 goes right leg, whoop, A, whoop, A. Let's just try that one outside. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and open, and open. Now, for this next part, you can go down on the floor if you want to, but you can stay up here, all right? But basically what you want to do is, let's say if you're doing it on the floor, you want to take your right knee down. Yeah, so I'm here, taking my leg out. Notice my right foot here is going out to the side, and then the same with the other leg. All right, now from here, basically we just want to go up again, right, left, and then stay here. All right. Now, if you want to do the lazy version without going on the floor, you could just do so whoop, whoop. You could just do like that, here, here. When you do it fast, it's gonna look okay. All right. So let me show you. Boom, boom, ba, 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 ba. Okay, just try and practice with me, either on the floor or the other version. So I'm just gonna do it on the floor. All right. So from here, you want to practice saying boom, 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 boom. All right. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left. All right. Let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. All right, now let's do the whole mini section 2. So from here, ba, 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 ba. All right, let's just try and practice that one time here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Open, open, right, left, right, left. Okay, feel free to practice some more if you need to. But let's just move on to mini section 3. So let me just show you what you're about to learn, all right? So mini section 2 was ba, 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 up here. Now from here it's woom, A, woom, A, woom, ta. All right, let me break it down for you. So the first part is actually pretty easy. Basically what you're doing is bringing in your knees, bringing them out again, all right? At the same time, you also want to lean a bit to the right to begin with, and then to your left, right? So let me just show you. You want to go lean here, all right? Just try with me. You got to be down on level, all right? So from here, you want to go woom, lean, woom, other side. Okay? Now the arms, freestyle, do whatever you want. You can do woom, out, all right? So basically what I'm doing is just bringing it in here, snap, and then the other one, whatever, all right? So you can go woom, A, okay? Try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, woom, snap, bum, bum, boom. Now from here, we want to do the ball chain, and that is, from here, you want to go lift your right leg here, and then cross over with your left, all right? As if you're going to your right, but then you want to say, I want to go to my left. So you use your right leg to go over and walk out this way, all right? Let me just show you again. So from here, I want to do right, left, right goes around, boom, boom, okay? Try and practice with me. We're gonna go super slow. So from here, ball chain, open, all right? Super slow, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, now let's just do the whole mini section 3 here. So it's just boom, snap, boom, here, ball chain, boom. All right, now if you want, you can add some arms. When you do the ball chain, basically I just do this. So I do prep, up, and then opposite. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. All right, so just then do the opposite of where I'm going. Okay, let's just try mini section 3. So boom, boom, A. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, A, boom, A, bow, chain, switch over, walk. Okay guys, one last time, alright? I promise. 5, 6, 7, 8, go, boom. 8, 8, bow, chain, boom, boom. Okay guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so a quick run through. So from the tip to top, the crisscross is what we're gonna start with. Boom, out the arms, boom, out, get ready to slide, right, left, step, and then kick right, out, left, out, now knees, right, left, right, left, now knees in, boom, out, again, other side, boom, ball chain, boom, other side, bam. Now let me explain the timing. So basically, the music is just and so on, alright? So let me just explain, trying to hum that. So you want to do Alright guys, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cap. 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 Alright, maybe that was a bit too slow. Let's just try to speed up a little bit. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cap. 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 Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna show one last time to the normal tempo, alright? Go something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much and until next time.